We decided to keep a dough from our favorite milking doughs kidding this year, which can pose kind of a problem because they can be tricky to wean, and we wanted to keep them together long term. We decided to use teat tape to keep her from nursing. Here's how I tape her udder.
Okay, so pull off a piece of tape about 5 inches long. I fold the ends over on themselves to create a little tab. This helps you get it off when you take them off. I put it in kind of a U shape around the teat, like this, and then take one more piece about 2.5 inches long, and then you just kind of make a circle around it like that. Not tight, you don't want it tight, but just to kind of hold it together. And then when you take it off the next day, you just grab the tabs you created here and pull straight down.